Thank you very much. Entry number 72, Naga College Foundation, Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. Next entry number 73, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, Incorporated, Fortuna Street, Santiago, Bato, Camarines Sur, competing in ROTC mixed company with majorettes only. School head, Mr. Roberto Palanca. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Major Aaron Mico Lauroro. Corps Commander, Cadet Major Micaela Borlagdan, S1. Cadet Major Maria Cristina Elvedes, S1. Cadet Major Inocencio Nardo, S2. Cadet Major Rick Harold Steven, S3. Cadet Second Lieutenant Jovi Riagonisto, S4. Cadet Major Sansai Ronces Vallas. Major Leader, Cadet Master Sergeant Donna May Bucat. Band Leader, Cadet Master Sergeant Vincent Pudian. Company Commander, Cadet Major Emmanuel Talaktak. Company XO, Cadet Major Henry Coral. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Major Robert Pa Arroyo. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet Major Kayla Cangayo. Commandant, Lieutenant Colonel Norleo Adulang, Philippine Army. Majorette Trainer, Mr. Janil Sagularse. Bandmaster Trainer, Mr. Seriato Santino. Midshipman Ensign Larry J. Hirobin. Philippine Navy Reserve ROT Facilitator. Entry number 73, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, Incorporated, Fortuna Street, Santiago, Bato, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 73, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, Incorporated, Fortuna Street, Santiago, Bato, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 74, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Canaman, Camarines Sur, Incorporated, Baras Canaman, Camarines Sur, competing in ROTC mixed company with majorettes and brass winds band category A. President, Dr. Marilisa Jimenez Ampuan. Corps Commander and Staff, Midshipman Ensign Jason Philip Borja. Corps Commander, Midshipman Ensign Mark Lester Canoso. S1, Midshipman Ensign Gemar N. Feliz. S2, Midshipman Ensign Cedric John Loyosa. S3, Midshipman Ensign John Ray Gabalting. S4, Midshipman Ensign Paul Manalo. S5, Major Leader Princess Tauban